All right. Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. McClure. Um, if I look kind of funny, there's something wrong with my eye, and I don't know if it's from looking at the screen for too long or being up too late recording these videos. Um, but I did notice in my last video that my eye looks swollen, and it actually feels swollen. So when I'm done with this, I'm probably gonna go see if I can put some eye drops in. But I'm going to do the best that I can. Alright, anyway, today we are going to learn about the I sound in the middle of words. I'm going to say some words, and I want you to repeat them after me. Now listen for the sound that is the same. So I'm going to say a word, and then you're going to repeat the word. Insect. Good. Insect, okay? Igloo. Now you say it. Igloo. Very good. Itch. Itch. And the last word. Can you repeat the last word? Iguana. Iguana. Now what is the sound that you hear that is the same in all of these four words? What sound do you hear that is the same? An insect. Igloo. Itch. Iguana. What sound is the same sound? What sound did you hear that was the same in my words? Insect, igloo, itch, and iguana. That's right, the I sound. So we are going to be reviewing the I sound, and the letter I is the letter that makes the I sound. So when we make the I sound, our mouths are open, and if you put your hand over your throat, you will feel the vibration. And we call that a voiced sound. So go ahead and let's try that out. So take your hand, put your finger over your throat right here, and you'll feel the vibration and make the sound go I. Now your turn. I. It's a voiced sound. Very good. Now I'm going to show you my words, and let's take a look at them, and let's figure out what letter is the same in our words. So let's look. I have the word igloo, igloo, I-G-L-O-O, itchy, I-T-C-H-Y, iguana, I-G-U-A-N-A, insect, I-N-S-E-C-T. Now, which letter is the same in my four words? The letter I. So if you notice, I'm going to underline I in igloo, I in itchy, I in iguana, and I in insect. Very, very good. Now, we will be reviewing the short I sound. So here is our card that's going to help us remember the sound of the letter I. So every time you see this card, we're going to say I, insect, I. Now can you do that with me? Can you say I, insect, I? Very good. So every single time we see this card, this will be our sound spelling card for the letter I. I, insect, I. All right, now we are going to work on writing the letter I. So we're going to write the letter I, okay? So I'm going to make it nice and big. I've got my pen ready, and I'm going to do red ink. And I'm going to model how to write it. And as I write it, I'm going to say the steps on how we write the letter I, the short I sound. So what we're going to do is we start at the top, go down, and we do a dot. Now what I want you to do is to skywrite the letter I with me. And we're only going to do the lowercase I. And it goes like this. It goes down, dot. So as I write it, you're going to say it. Ready? Down, dot. Go ahead and let's skywrite that again. And you say it with me. Down, dot. Let's do it. Down, dot. And that is how we write the lowercase I. Let's try it one more time. Ready? Down, dot. Now your turn. Down, dot. Very, very good. Now, we are going to work on listening for words that have the I sound in the middle. Now listen carefully. Say the word after me. Pig. Pig. Pig has the I sound in the middle, the letter I. Let's look at the next one. Tim. Tim. Do you hear the I sound in the middle of Tim? Tim. Tim. Yeah, Tim has the I sound in the middle. Let's look at our next word. It. It. Sit. Do you hear the I sound in the middle of sit? Yes. And our last word is it. Pit. I hear the I sound in the middle of the word pit. Now, we are going to work on practicing hearing the I sound in the middle of some words. We are going to sort some pictures under two columns. So one column, it'll be the words that have the I sound in the middle. So we'll sort all the words or the pictures that have the I sound in the middle underneath that column. If it does not have the I sound in the middle, then we're going to sort it underneath the other column where all of the words that do not have the I sound in the middle will go. So let's go ahead and let's try. Let's see if we can do that together. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to sort the sounds to feed
Drag picture words that have the same middle sound as pig into the box under the picture of the pig. Drag picture words that do not have the same middle sound as pig into the other box. Click on a picture to hear its name.
Okay, so we are going to sort the pictures by if they have the same middle sound as the word pig, we're going to put them underneath the pig. If they do not have the same middle sound as the pig, then we're going to put it underneath the picture of the pig with the line going through it, okay? Because that means no, it does not. So let's look at our first picture.
Ship.
Ship. Say that word, ship. Ship. Does ship have the same I sound as the word pig or not? It does. So we're going to sort it where? We're going to drag it underneath the pig. Good.
Ship.
Ship. Let's look at another word.
Knit.
Knit. It. Knit. Say the word knit. Knit. Does knit have the same I sound as the word pig, or does it not? It. It does have the same middle sound, so we're going to drag it underneath the pig.
Knit.
Good job. What about this picture?
Fox.
Fox. Let's segment that. Ox. Ox. Fox. Does fox have the same middle sound as pig? Pig? No, it does not. So we're going to drag it underneath this column.
Fox.
Fox. Good. What about this one?
Can.
Can. Can. Does can have the same middle sound as pig?
Can.
No, it does not. So we're going to drag it right here. Very good.
Can.
Okay, so now I want you to choose. I'm going to pick a card, and then I want you to point to the column where you think it's going to go.
Swim.
Swim. Point to the column where you think swim will go. Swim. Did you point to the column with the pig? Yeah, swim.
Swim.
Swim has the I sound in the middle. Let's do another one.
Hill.
Hill. Point to the column where you think hill will go.
Hill.
If you said the pig, then you are correct. Ill.
Hill.
Hill has the I sound in the middle.
Drip.
Drip. Drip. Point to the column where you think drip will go.
Drip.
Did you point to the pig?
Drip.
Drip. Very good. Let's try another one.
Mitt. Mitt.
Mitt. Point to the column where you think it will go. Mitt. Did you point to the column with the pig? That's right.
Mitt. Plum.
This is plum.
Plum.
Plum. Plum. Point to the column where you think plum will go. Does it have I in the middle or no? Did you point to the column with the no? That's right, because plum does not say I, it says Very good. Now remember, the short sound for the letter I is I. Now you say I. I. When we say the I sound, our mouths are open and we feel the vibration in our throat, and we call that a voiced sound. All vowel sounds are open and voiced. Great job today. See you guys later.